for na so
okay,
because me say na o ka say amount for bebre person who the young Diomande deal, the situation between Real Madrid and the RB Leipzig and the player and Ankasa.
And then the Vinicius Junior
to Arsenal Sagan
because what's the story is starting now.
Yeah.
Now we all thought one of those rumors now in 32.
Yeah.
Say Eddie transfer ni be say but say we free a different destination. It's now mom function the engine. But all of a sudden as I no again momentum. As a Vini ebetime Real Madrid. And Johnny team be as Arsenal. And the man DNA kaka but when I start with the young Diomande
and Vini no be back because Saturday
sure,
Simbi and Mesa Bosubi
no problem
about that Vinicius Junior deal. Now Rich, do you know what is happening between a young Diomande and a Real Madrid in terms of the deal? Young Diomande ansana obe join RB Leipzig no not ni agent Max Gradel, former international player for Ivory Coast. Na onuna Olidi Maxidel Corporation na agency that players ano omu agents for them. Now young Diomande ever join RB Leipzig no. That deal and the agency that stood in for young Diomande no was the Maxidel. But along the line, young Diomande is signing Emma Rock Nation Sports. Now, Rock Nation Sports for are led by a brand of Jay-Z, or American rapper. On a Rock Nation Sports no, on a Edano. But after the signing of a young Diomande to that Rock Nation no, at this point, Abani said Real Madrid for no. A person cover Branton man be say a kind Emma Real Madrid no. What is happening is that Maxi de Ofono Ababontia Bekase the player is still tied to a omu agency. It's the assistants now no. The transfer of a young Diomande from RB Leipzig to a Real Madrid cannot be completed. Wabra or daso a Maxidel registered player to their agency. So that is the standoff at that omuntem here. So as it stands right now on Rich, Maxi de Ofono omudi case nako FIFA ho.
Okay.
Almost say the player is registered to Omonum agency. And as it stands right now, no, they are supposed to be the ones benefiting from the transfer of Abrantiano from RB Leipzig to Real Madrid. Now, Real Madrid for no mubu because almost say then a Rock Nation for munim say player no registered to another agency. Now my phone abekache say muna representatives of the player. For which reason deal na go through no. Muse say no mo be gina mfimfin. Ama say Maxi de Ofono abe report yen. Ama FIFA. So that is where the problem is right now. Maxi de Ofono say they are the ones who are in charge of the player. Rock Nation so say they are the ones who are trying to broker that deal as agency for a young Diomande.
And African players they always create that problem.
Rich, I will not even blame the player per se. It is the agency. Because say, you're Rock Nation, now befa young Diomande, now him say young Diomande is still tied to Maxidela. You need to be very transparent when you are going to broker that deal for player to know.
The reason me blame Diomande is say, for all you know, if you know one country Rock Nation for. In most cases, many players in be a leader. Sometimes you ask them, oh, chairman, menya deal be na mpese o side of we know so discussion no.
Yeah.
So what I say, first off, who agency be na who agent be catch us Debbie. Maybe be we na afis kan ne yi be chance say be ba no. Oh, an agent be afro, catch it. Matisse would be play on country now.
Rich, the reason why I beg,
African players.
Yeah, but you see, Rich, the reason why I beg to differ and say, Sabi Rock Nation on a small agency, an agency that has been created and led by a Jay-Z American rapper. Or more different agents within the organization. Or multi player no. Echo cinema different club. I don't think say they would not have done their due diligence.
And I'm minimum to continue to the Josh, unless I'm only players in the leader, especially African player. Sanya mo me ndebia. me say me minim for sure say Rock Nation for no be due diligence and sana boy no they will proceed ubo koma me so be busa brand oh me free agent be any no afa ho wa no akwadwo no de ahye botom enti deal be say beba na ho na afo ha because yeah hano sikasam ne ade enti no e bia player and see so obi ne show no mu boot sam ne sa ne ma so anti we player no so dem all kosoro all kosoro that's ankofo ni anu oja no omachi
good
almost feel say look yes so you contribute to your success story it is a do be bad yes you nye tafa bi nye tafre
even you see
plan on
Rich, the main reason why this conversation is very important and they say reportedly Sika Yan Diomande agents ebenya from Saudi way if it goes through Sika nothing less than 15 million euros. That is the money that the agency that is leading Yan Diomande ebenya. So it tells you the reason why Maxi Delfono have come back into the equation. Because on say, according to what we are hearing, no, on say most of it a report, the true reflection of the situation about Bontia Mubiati. But the year gadano from Central for or more deep insights of the story. No, this is what they are telling us. And to the on the face value, Maxi Delfono said they have sent the case to FIFA. Into almost a FIFA for no, and become some more. Because Rich, one of the things that FIFA MP is the obstruction of transfer deals with agents. Yeah. And if you make a mistake, one share your international transfer certificate now was say omitimi issue Emma player no yen the transfer no. So they will not release the international transfer certificate. It is what they say Yan Diomande deal no enyan go through. These are the issues. Maxi they was saying he still signed to them. Rock Nation me player no. It is a Sikano, Abedan Fifi. They don't know who is going to. And I think FIFA in the coming days, no.
Okay.
Rich will decide something from there. Rich, Chelsea is also in the stories.
Okay.
On said they be a me buy. Yes, Chelsea. I'm on front here. The reason is because Chelsea is one of the most active teams.
Sure.
And Uchimu time, Chelsea why not doing auto players? No dear, you cannot stop them. Rich, over the weekend, any Tessa Valentin Baku, Argentine international, this particular World Cup or ne Argentine national team for no. Kobo at US and Mexico and Canada. And you see Chelsea for us signing from Strasbourg for about 40 million euros. Into Valentin Barco and Chelsea, so us signing. Then there were good talks between Rayo Vallecano and Chelsea for Pep Chavaria. Into Abranteno and Che Yabeti Pep Chavaria for 25 million euros plus 5 million add-ons. Chelsea for no omo ekrado so mkwako fa branch na mana bisina kan ama Chelsea. Then Rich, I think one of the biggest ones Diogo Costa, goalkeeper for Sporting CP. Chelsea for no, it looks like they're getting very very close to signing a branch and could average something between 60 million euros because player release clause no. But Chelsea for no person mo so be less than that, I be around 40-45 million euros. No more for branch because on say Robert Sanchez you didn't know who be say goalkeeper no
Sanchez be
so obeba second choice.
Okay.
Because as it stands now Mike Pendes any Abrantia
and I'm the Strasbourg.
I'm not sure say Sanchez because Strasbourg.
Okay.
I was so team fighting for the place. Oh say goalkeepers be why if you don't give them competition they don't struggle. They don't strive to fit into the team. And then I think if say Diogo Costa and be see a camera Chelsea, it will cause Robert Sanchez to sit up and there will be competition in that goalkeeping department. Then Rich, Aston Villa for set piece coach, I friend Austin McPhee. We free Aston Villa will be joining Chelsea. Inti, sisi amene ukase oko Hong Kong. Chelsea for ni Juventus bebo 5th August year. Into oko joining omo. Into it means that Chelsea is not just about the player signings, but person we total overhaul of a team no to improve upon the performance. And I think say in the coming days, I think another thing is say Chelsea for no person who turn players be brave.
Okay.
It's Badiashile be free up, Chaloba be free up, Liam Delap is on the market for 40 million pounds. Exactly, Sassi Beko, Chaloba Beko, and sure Pedro Netompo Beko.
Okay.
Because Liverpool for you but Chelsea for so amount for be less than 70 million, or for be more than 60, 65, 70 million. And from Ranomon Tom play and more. So as it stands right now, no, and also you come a features for us. But now we say Mihailo Mudryk in Swaba.
Yeah, we can number.
Yeah. Now owns Oba, he looks like a fresh signing for Chelsea. Because Obiani Naso say be transfer a doping ban nefin. So but now he's back in the Chelsea folder. Ultimately say no, there's another competition on the left hand flank for a year Xabi Alonso to see who would be the preferred player in that particular. For me, sure say Chelsea for Tommy Mihailo Mudryk. They will give him the time to settle back into the team because
is there a doubt?
No, but what,
there will be a suitor.
Of course, because Chelsea for to play an 89 million pounds. Okasa will turn CC, I will nyasa 89 million pounds. So what you say, and I think
over
3 years, over 3 years, he has to force his way. Of course.
Or fan form now. Maybe Amber Jones and Button and I say, yeah.
The last story I'm is about the Vini Junior. No?
Okay.
Rich assistants CC Ayeka Mikel Arteta afa phone after Vini Junior catch and say Opesa Branton BC akam Emma Arsenal. And well, so Usha's story ni mu ye pa Rich. I think the only thing I can tell you right now is that Arsenal are also quite desperate for the young man. Because I honestly felt, say, of course, so for Vini Junior Manebeka team, he gives you a lot of options in attack. But is that the right man for the job? Maybe question maybe some. And Saturday maybe won't come over. Say I didn't think say necessarily meeting Vinicius Junior new wage demands and telling himself when the playing time in Arsenal is enough to guarantee say he'll come and give you the best performances that you expect from him. Because all about Arsenal, no, number one, he is coming to meet a team that is under pressure to keep up with performances that OKP last season, going all the way to the Champions League final, winning the title. But now, no, we're losing the key players, and there are still rumors say key players be free. If you have Vinicius Junior coming in, there's going to be a lot of burden on your shoulders to deliver. And you know the English media, Rich. Yeah. Once you come in, if you're not delivering, they're going to stay on your neck until you force your way out or you step up. And Vini Junior, we know how mentally sometimes fragile he can be. Until all the pressure we air back us now, just because Arsenal for some amount, seek over £400,000 a week. We are not rich. Look at Vinicius Junior. It doesn't look like any other team for Air Team Ben Beam. It's only Arsenal. And I know so obetria say sikanamano. Inka Eban say Real Madrid for any didn't come on or multi meet standards. No, you would have expected other clubs, Saudi Arabia for someone Oscar. They would have come to take the player. That is another point of the conversation.
Maybe a future be a fine, but see Vinicius Junior they be a sad in them into a try cry.
But then Vinicius Junior rich. Yes, he cannot wash it. It's the money he's looking for. Until once you give him that money, Obeba, until I think say beer, say no come on, baby he may go to Arsenal because they say Arsenal for one person will submit 150 million euro bid for the player. International corridor, so you
me do ready until say
I better confirm.
You have a machine so, and I have a radio so. Na yendina ye hu bi say abrante no ogina Arsenal ya shena Arsenal Jesse you unveiling the achi wiase na may I still doubt this transfer deal so we ye be na ye be chi biare na ye di hu nkomo in 4.4 from ye